Well, I'm putting my cover back. 2015 Suburban. Well, DJ's Electronic, they found what it was. But I'm glad that I did all my grounds. They said that it was the PCM fuse and the ignition switch. But I checked all the fuses and all the fuses, they was good. I don't know how. But they got the job done. My baby back on the road. Bam. Back on the road. Now I got an extra ground wire. That shit long as fuck. Muchas gracias. They want me to do that jewelry shit. Go to court. Like, bitch, I've been in prison. I ain't fucking tested. I mean, find nobody guilty, motherfucker. Like, shit. I definitely ain't going. Talk about jewelry, sir. Bitch, you crazy? Fuck you and whoever trying to go to jail. I'ma definitely say not guilty for him. Not guilty. Not guilty, bro. So you do probably want me to, cause I don't give a fuck what you did, bro. As long as you didn't rape no little kid, you not guilty in my eyes. Yeah, man, but the truck, it was the PCM, and she's back on the road. Yeah, but for some reason, my gauges on the battery gauge is marking like 13. It's not marking it. Yeah, for some reason now on the gauge. For some reason now on the gauge on the dashboard for the battery is marking like 12. It's not on the 14 on the middle how it was. Now it's like I don't know. But I'm glad he said it was the PCM fuse and the ignition switch. That's it. $335.